Hi, this is John Stephen Gurney, and I'll be teaching the Drawing Fundamentals class as part of the MFA program in Children's Literature and Illustration at Hollins University this summer. And I'm very excited about teaching drawing because I like to think of every drawing as a description. And the techniques that we learn become the vocabulary that we use in those descriptions. So let's say we're doing some character design. So we're going to explore using line, we're going to explore using value, we'll explore using shape. And if we're using line, we want to vary the line. So we get a bolder line here and maybe more of an expressive line here. And then if we're sticking with value, maybe we're going to just add a little bit of line. So it's mostly value with a little bit of line. And then over here, this is still mostly line, but a little bit of value added to the line. And then if we're just focusing on shape, maybe we'll add some patterns and some textures. So explore all these different modes of communicating. And if we want to build up our line, we can kind of build it up to become hatching. And if you keep hatching and hatching, before you know it, you have cross hatching. And in this way, we're using line to create value, to create form. And if you want to try using a white line and a black background, then we can try some scratchboard. So we're going to explore all these different techniques. But drawing isn't just about techniques, it's also about composition, about how you arrange your elements on the page, because no matter what technique you end up using, whether it's an oil painting or whether it's a pastel or watercolor, everything starts out as a drawing. So this is an oil painting I made. This was for my picture book Dinosaur Train, and it started out as a rough concept sketch. Same thing right here. Here's a kind of a science fiction illustration I made. And this one started out as a really rough thumbnail concept sketch. And I developed that into a tighter, more refined sketch there. And that's the process. So please, I hope you can come and join us. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be online this summer, so we're kind of innovating new ways to present the information, and we're kind of excited about the possibilities that that's opening up for us. So I hope to see you there. Thanks.